Yeah, this is a proud design of the Davis Corporation. You can now see, just done. Yeah, Davis windows and door. Yeah. Yes, in this one I can see there's a escape route is there. There's the inches. So if there's a fire, you can quickly escape from it. Yeah, open. You can see where it's open and where it's closed back. Yeah, and there it is, you cannot even. So, how do you feel now, ma'am? Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Hello there, come and give me an ads. He has to give me an ads. It's for the company. No, I will be. So how do you feel now that your home is secure and you can sleep comfortable with your door open knowing that the girls are closed? You see how she look lovely? She nice, eh? She own her own home, you know. She one of them progressive girls that work hard and secure her home. Now for them that they are dance and I do the baddest and the toughest hairstyle and the baddest nail, but she want the toughest and the baddest house. Yes, stop idea as a proud girl. Say something towards it. Tell me how you feel about your girl. Tell me how you feel. Don't do me that. I also get a face in the video. Don't do me that. I have to get a face in the video because suppose I go do an ads now and say more all of my customers them comment on it. You look nice, you want to see it already. When you finish you view the video.
On a scale of 9 to 10 to 10 to on a scale of 1 to 10, 9.
0.009?
9 then you have your painting to come to. When you come to the painting, you get the 10.
Okay
so,
then.
On a scale of 1 to on a scale of 1 to on a scale of 1 to 10, you get 9. When you come to the painting now, you get the 10, you know.
Alright, so the 10 is there. And you look lovely. There's a look of busted look on you.